If you wear any of these on your cruise, you might get embarrassed, turned away from dinner, or miss a shore excursion. And no one wants to be the viral clip titled, "Person in Bathrobe Causes International Incident." Stay with me. I'll show you what not to wear, why it matters, and the exact swaps that keep you comfortable and welcome everywhere on the ship. We are Cruise Insider, and by the end, you'll have a simple packing plan and 3 ready-to-go outfit combos: pool, port, and evening. Plus, you might laugh once or twice. Let's dive in. Cruise ships are like small floating cities. Pool decks, buffets, theaters, fancy dining rooms, and the occasional "who invited the karaoke contestant" moment. The rule is simple: match the outfit to the space. Pool wear stays by the pool. Smart casual goes to the dining room. Something a little nicer for specialty restaurants. Now let's walk through the most common mistakes people make and what to pack instead, without becoming a cautionary tale. Number 1, bathrobes and slippers outside your cabin. Balcony spa vibes are great, hallway bathrobe vibes are not. It looks sloppy, and some venues will politely ask you to change. Swap a lightweight linen shirt or a simple cover-up and comfortable sandals. Think resort chic, not "I fell asleep at the hot tub." Number 2, wearing swimwear into indoor public spaces. Wet swimsuits drip and create slippery floors. They can also get you turned away from the main dining room. Swap a sarong, caftan, or button-down shirt as a cover-up. If you exit the pool, dry off first. Your shoes and the cleaning crew will thank you. Number 3, camouflage. Trendy on land, trouble in some ports. In several countries, especially in the Caribbean, wearing military patterns can be illegal for civilians. People have been asked to return to the ship to change. Swap tropical prints, stripes, or solid colors. You'll look vacation-y without risking a run-in with local fashion police. Number 4, overly revealing or see-through pieces outside the pool. On family-friendly ships or in dining areas, it can cause awkward double takes. Swap, bring a modest cover-up or a lightweight dress that doubles as a sundress and evening top. Versatility wins, and photos will be less cringeworthy. Number 5, brand new, unbroken-in shoes. Cruises trick you. You'll walk more than you expect. Blisters can ruin the whole trip. Swap. Only pack shoes you've worn before. Bring 1 pair of comfy walking shoes and 1 pair of nicer but comfortable dress shoes. If your shoes bite back, leave them ashore. Number 6, flashy jewelry and expensive accessories. Wearing a lot of visible valuables ashore makes you a target. Swap. Leave heirloom pieces at home or lock them in your cabin safe. Carry a simple watch or small studs for dinners. Peace of mind, stay Instagram clout. Number 7, heavy perfume or cologne. Ships have tight spaces, elevators, theaters, dining rooms. Strong scents cling. It can bother folks with allergies. Swap, go light. 1 small spritz or an unscented lotion is all you need. You'll still smell nice without smelling like you left a perfume factory in your wake. Number 8, offensive or political graphic tees. Cruises bring together people from many backgrounds. A provocative message can spark conflict, and we're here for cocktails, not arguments. Swap neutral, friendly prints, palm trees, stripes, solid. Let vacation be the only hot take. Number 9, inappropriate footwear for shore excursions. Flip-flops are great for the pool, not so great on cobblestones, ruins, or hiking trails. Swap lightweight sneakers or sports sandals with good grip. They pack small and keep you upright and uninjured for photos. Number 10, pajamas or bathrobes to dinner. Even casual lines expect a little effort in the dining room. Swap a simple sundress or chinos and a polo. You don't need a tux, just don't look like you rolled out of the minibar. Quick myth bust. There's no dress code anymore. Not true. Many lines relaxed rules, but that doesn't mean anything goes. Check the daily schedule or cruise app for the evening's vibe. Pool equals casual. Main dining equals smart casual. Formal nights still exist on some ships. And yes, people still enjoy dressing up for them like it's prom with better lighting. A few safety and legal traps you must know: camouflage ashore, walking into ports with flashy jewelry, and wearing swimwear into indoor dining can lead to fines or being sent back to the ship. Small habits prevent big headaches. Also, photograph your valuables and keep serial numbers in a travel folder. If something happens, you'll be ready, and slightly less dramatic on the phone call to your insurance. Now, packing smart beats packing everything. Choose fabrics that travel well. Linen blends, wrinkle-resistant rayon, and quick-dry synthetics. Pack multi-purpose pieces. A linen shirt that's a pool cover-up by day and a dinner top by night. Use packing cubes to keep outfits together and magnetic hooks in the cabin to hang items without nails or tape. Small wins equals fewer outfit emergencies. Before we wrap, here are 3 ready-to-go outfit combos you can use on any cruise. Save these in your phone and pack them first. They're basically vacation hacks with better shoes. Combo 1, pool to lunch. Swimsuit, lightweight button-down linen shirt as a cover-up, slip-on sandals, and a wide brim hat. Add sunglasses and a crossbody bag. This gets you from sun lounger to casual lunch without looking like you just went full mermaid. Combo 2, port ready. Breathable tee or linen shirt, travel pants or neat shorts, supportive sneakers, and a small crossbody bag. Throw a lightweight scarf in your bag for sun protection or a quick style boost. This combo works for walking tours, markets, and that one souvenir shop that only sells slightly suspicious magnets. Combo 3, smart night and formal variant. Smart night, a sundress or a pair of chinos with a polo and loafers. Formal night, a wrap dress or blazer with trousers and one pair of dressier shoes. Keep jewelry minimal and bring a light shawl. Dining rooms can't be chilly and you don't want to be shivering in your sequins. You'll look great in photos and be comfy enough to eat all the desserts. Quick checklist before you zip your suitcase. 1 cover-up per person, 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes, 1 smart casual outfit, and 1 dressier outfit. Minimal valuables, use the cabin safe. Unscented basics and only small perfume. A small sewing kit and blister plasters. That's it. Don't overpack your regrets. A few last tips. Label your bags, bring a lanyard for your cruise card, and leave space for souvenirs. And possibly that regrettable t-shirt you'll buy at port because it spoke to you. Try outfits on at home with the shoes you'll bring. Now tell me, what's the weirdest outfit you've ever seen on a cruise? Share your story below and I'll feature the best ones in the next video. I promise to laugh with you, not at you. Maybe slightly, with a tiny giggle. Relax, pack smart, and enjoy the sea. Happy cruising!